Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today we'll be going through a new report that we've added to QuickBooks Online Accountant, known as the Uncoded Transactions report. Now this is a report I know you guys have been asking for quite a while, and everyone on the team here in Australia is super excited to be able to bring this to you. The report is what it says it is. It is the ability to be able to export a list of all your transactions you're yet to move into QuickBooks because perhaps you needed additional information from your client to be able to best determine what's the correct chart of account to allocate it to. So you'll see here I'm on my banking screen and I have 49 transactions that I'm yet to code, and I'm going to get some help from my client and send them a report. So here we go. Let's jump into reports, and we'll jump into all, and you'll see down the bottom here we have the Uncoded Transactions report. Now by clicking this star, I've actually favorited it, so I don't have to scroll down anymore. It's already right up the top there. So naturally, just by clicking the star or clicking it off, you can remove it. So I'm going to jump back down. I'm going to open up the report. Now you see here, by default, it'll show you all transactions that are yet to be coded. You can, for all dates, now you can adjust that date to being just this month, just the last month, just the last quarter, etc. Totally up to you. Naturally, the default would be anything that's uncoded. We want to try and get uncoded and rectified immediately. You'll see here, I've been a bit slack. I have transactions that are, getting close to 5 years and yet to be coded. So we need to action that. So number of ways you can do this. You can export the information into Excel or PDF. Perhaps you're on a client is on site at the moment and you want to be able to send them a digital copy straight away. They're already on your computer. You can do that. You can naturally just also print it off in PDF. So perhaps again, you're on client site. You just want to be able to print it off and have them fill it out straight away. You have that ability. Now there's one way you can do this also is actually set up the ability to email the Excel sheet to the customer on a given frequency. So let's do that. Let's set up an email frequency for once a month on the first of the month. So then we can, obviously get it back within a week and then be able to reconcile the previous month by mid-month in an ideal world. So let's jump there. We're going to save the report. And what it does, when you save a customized report, it actually moves it into your My Custom Reports tab. So we'll just jump here. So you got your custom reports. You see I've got my uncoded transactions. From here, right now you see the email frequency is unscheduled. So let's edit that. And we want to turn that on. So you want to send the frequency to being whatever you want. So I'm going for the monthly, and I'm going on the first day of the month. Naturally, we can even make it like, the last day if we wanted to. And then we can even set up a frequency of, by or after, like say by end date by 2019, there we go. So we'll just go like fake email at email.com, and naturally you can set up the message and say, hello, please complete by 7th of the month. There we go. And then you can tick this box to say attach the report as an Excel file and save and close, and you're done. So that's basically it. That's the Uncoded Transaction report. Again, super happy to have this in the product. I know you guys will love it a lot. As always, leave your comments down below if you have any questions or there's any new features you'd like to see. This is Chris signing off, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.